Yeah, we've already kind of you kind of hit on reporting, which is important to everyone. Um, I don't know if you had anything else, that I mean, right? To me, it seems like despite all of the improvements and simplification that's gone on over the past several years, it's never simple and easy enough, right, for users. How do we continue to make reporting easier for people in business intelligence and analytics?
Yeah, and that's a complicated question because reporting is so many things. There's traditional printed reports that you might need for to send to regulatory or running a business. There's things like Power BI where it's more interactive and analytical. There's cases where you're sort of doing kind of one-off sort of analyses, and as you guys know, we have a variety of solutions today. You can do things out of the box with our reporting stuff. You can do things in Excel. We have Word templates. We have the Power BI integration, and we haven't yet found the solution to sort of rule them all. Certainly Power BI is a big bet at Microsoft. I think from a technology standpoint, you're going to see more investment there. I think certainly Excel continues to be the hero sort of end user offering, and so us kind of making it better. And then we recognize that there's still a huge need for just even on a customization out of the box reports that do core things. We still get a lot of asks on like why isn't this report in the box and that report in the box, and so we'll look at that. And so I think that is one where talk about heated debates. Where I think the answer is not as clear as I'd like. I think we're going to continue to invest in several of those technologies. It's not a clean sort of one or the other. And I think over time, it's going to be upon us and the community to really make it as seamless as possible for the partners and ultimately the customers.
Yep.